Assalamualaikum, my dear ladies and gentlemen. How are you all? Hope all of you are keeping yourself fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty. So this is me, Azwata Abrar, your learning partner. I'm a 7th grader student at Cassie Model School and College, and also I'm a TESOL learner. So today I'm going to share with you a beautiful topic, and also it's a scientific topic. So our today's topic will be about what is 5G network, and it is scientific. So without any extra time wasting, let's begin our today's topic.
Imagine being able to wirelessly download a 2-hour movie in just 4 seconds. Soon, the ability to do this could be in the hands of everyone, thanks to 5G. You may have heard about 5G in the news, and for good reason. Right now, the major companies and the countries of the world are literally racing to develop the technology first. But they are not doing this for faster movie downloads. They are doing it because 5G could be one of the most profitable technologies ever developed. Let's talk about what makes this technology so powerful and how it could completely reshape our world. To understand the power of 5G, you need to know about a little bit about something called the Internet of Things. It's a strange name, but the Internet of Things is an incredibly ambitious idea for society. Imagine a world where everything mobile devices, computers, cars, buildings, cameras all communicate wirelessly with each other and with minimal latency. These smart objects would be able to communicate with each other to perform tasks for owners or even entire groups of people. In short, the Internet of Things is the framework for the smart cities of science fiction. And with the help of 5G, they could make the transition from sci fi to reality. 5G gets its name because it is the fifth generation wireless network, and it's been in development for over a decade. In recent years, breakthrough developments, its wide implementation across entire cities possible. One of these breakthroughs was the increase in available IP addresses. Think about it, even entire city, including buildings, billboards, cars, phones, and everything in between is supposed to be wirelessly connected, and you are talking about a lot of devices. Back in 2012, the number of usable IP addresses went from around 4 billion to 340 sextillion. Now that we have got the spaces, so to speak, we need great roads between them so that the device can communicate quickly and without interruption. And this is where 5G gets really exciting. Latency is the delay between one device sending a signal and another device receiving it. 5G will dramatically reduce latency times, giving users and devices the ability to communicate nearly instantaneously. While this will be great for downloading videos or movies, it will also have massive for the country's industries, including industries that are still in their infancy today. Take autonomous vehicles for example. With the improved communication abilities granted by 5G technology, autonomous vehicles will be able to communicate with other vehicles, but that's not all. They will also be able to communicate with smart roads and smart infrastructure around them. Back in March of 2018, a Chinese company called Baidu was able to perform China's first successful autonomous driving road test that was based on 5G network technologies, and plans to expand these tests and technologies to buses and other forms of public transportation. 5G technology will find its way into nearly every aspect of our lives. When we go to see a doctor, we will not be able to going anywhere at all. We will be able to communicate with and be diagnosed by doctors remotely, and doctors may even perform surgeries by remotely using tools that are wirelessly connected in communication through 5G networks. In fact, in China, one surgeon has already performed a 5G powered brain surgery. It's able to perform surgery on a patient who was 3,000 kilometers away using robots that experience with no latency or lag. Simply put, 5G will reshape nearly every single industry of the world. Because of this, whoever is able to perfect the technology first will experience massive economic growth. Because so it should come as no surprise that major companies and even major countries are in an extreme competitive race to master this technology and be the first to the wallets of customers. Companies like AT&T and Verizon have been battling it out in the United States, while Huawei, a Chinese company, claims to be months ahead of everyone else in the development of 5G technology. As these companies compete, national governments are keeping their eye on the race in hopes of being the first country to implement this new technology into the infrastructure of the cities and capitalize on the economic advantage it is sure to bring. Regardless of who develops it, one thing is for sure: 5G will change the world as we know it. Before long, we could be living in a world we have only dreamed about up to this point, as the lines between science fiction and reality are becoming more blurred every day. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and stay with me. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.